Now tell me about the biggest achievement, which was your TSH level. My God.
I
From
was not expecting it to be that low because it is only 3 months. From 14, it is not going to jump down to 0.84. I
exactly.
was like, even the dosage, she just increased 12 mcg. She did not even increase 25, just
Hmm.
12. I was not expecting, okay, it is going to be somewhere in. I was thinking, okay, she's going to increase my dosage. It is TSH is going to be what? She just increased only 12 mcg. My dosage, she is going to make it 125 this time. This is what I thought in my mind. I just thought, but I did not keep dwelling in it. I just thought and left it. I went. When I saw the results, I was like, I was in shock. It's a miracle.
Yeah, coming TSH level coming down from 14 to 0.84, which is absolutely normal range, is like a miracle
Yeah,
in
yeah.
3 months.
3 months of small lifestyle changes and the changes that we made mentally and physically, that has brought in a lot of. Now I became more sure I don't have to worry about these tests also. These are going to be normal. When my thyroid is normal, everything is going to be normal. I don't even think or nothing comes to my mind about the
Yeah.
test or the insurance and anything. It's just not there. I'm just
Yeah.
living every what I'm waking up. Okay, I'm working out. I'm cooking. I'm doing this. I'm doing that. That's all. I'm not even sitting and thinking what is going to happen. No, I used to do. I'll sit and think what is going to happen now. I will imagine all the scenarios. Now, what will happen? What if I have to go to India? All those things. I'm not even thinking about all those things. It's a great freedom that one should experience when you truly surrender and trust.
See, now when you think about a child,
There's no fear. I'm not even doubting it. I mean, that is not there. I have to. How do I fear? I have to think about it.